Hello and welcome back to another year with digiCOACH. This past summer, we've been busy adding some new reports and features to our existing reports. Our newest report is our progress over time, which will allow you to track trends and look for elements across multiple weeks, months, or school years even. We've also upgraded our Look For Summary report, adding a new view allowing you to reveal the individual times that you've marked Look Fors as observed, not observed, or skipped those elements, or for our folks using digiCOACH on a rating, looking at seeing how each of those ratings have been selected across those Look Fors. Let's start with our new progress over time. When you first pull up this report, your time filters will be set to the school year ahead, starting with July through September, October through November, and so on. Now, in this case, I'll need to update my time filters to look at more relevant data from the past school year. I've updated my report looking at actually data from my last 5 school years here. So 2018 to 2019, 2019 to 20, and so on. That data is now represented down below with each school year on a different bar. Now, if I wanted to look at data from just some school years, for example, maybe I want to turn off some of my older data sets, I could hide that information here. Now I can start to look for trends and see exactly what's happened in each of my Look Fors across multiple weeks, months, school years, or even days if you'd like. It's up to you on selecting the custom date range here in this filter. Once you've set your date, click the Run Report button and you'll get a refreshed report with that now expanded view across each of your time periods. One great thing we've added is when you mouse over this report, you'll be able to see how many walkthroughs are included in that data set. So for example, in the 21-22 school year, in the area of task, we collected 17 walkthroughs in this sample data. We did 22 walkthroughs that make up this average score of 91% there. So now you can not only see your average score, but also how many walkthroughs were completed in each of those data sets, omitting any times that you might have skipped that Look For. Now, speaking of skipping Look Fors, you'll find that information in our new Look For Summary updated view. When you first pull up a Look For Summary report, it's going to look just like it always has, giving you your average score across your different Look Fors. But now, note to the left here, we can switch to a stacked percentage view. I'll make my selection and rerun this report. And note now that it updates and provides some raw data, if you will. Out of my 304 walkthroughs, we marked task as observed 122 times, which was 40% of our total walks. We marked it not observed 25 times, or 8% of our total walkthroughs, and we skipped it around 52% of the time, or 157 visits. Now, if I want, I can hide my skips and look at just the times I've marked Look Fors as observed or not. And note now that this 83%, these data points have been recalculated automatically as I've turned on and off our individual Look For options down here. And note that this 83% for task correlates with our same average score that we're seeing in our traditional average score view. You may notice also that the colors are updated here. Throughout all of our bar graph reports, we've updated our colors to help them be a little bit more easier to see, especially for our folks with color blindness. And we think that that really helps, especially when you're looking at things like the progress over time reports or other Look For comparison reports where you have multiple bars next to each other. We've also been busy adding some new features to the digiCOACH app and other enhancements to the reports. Thanks so much for your time today and exploring our new reports. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call or contact us. We're always here to help.